Hello folks, Samsung has released the fourth One UI 5.0 beta update featuring October 2022 security update to the Galaxy S22 series. This new version of One UI 5.0 is currently available in the US and we expect it to be available in other parts of the world where the One UI 5.0 beta program is active. The newest Android 13 based One UI 5.0 beta update for the Galaxy S22 lineup has a download size of around 1.5 GB and it brings a lot of bug fixes. Samsung has even removed some features and improved the performance of animation. According to the changelog, Samsung has added the ability to add or remove favorites and recent features in the Gallery app. The company has also fixed the bug that led to the sleep mode being activated automatically. Some people also faced the issue where beep and vibration would be active continuously, and this update fixed that issue. Some people also complain about crashing issues when entering an app folder, changing wallpapers, and using the S Pen's Air command feature on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. For some users, the object eraser feature wasn't working. Some users complained about the haptic feedback feature not working while using the home gesture. All those bugs have been fixed as well. Samsung has removed the multi-user feature though, which is sad. We've been waiting all these years for the company to add the feature, and it did with One UI 5.0 Beta 1, but it has been removed. We are not sure if the company will add it again with the next update. The South Korean firm says that some bugs haven't been fixed yet. Those issues include a black screen being displayed on the monitor when using Samsung DeX and the phone screen is locked. Some users reported that the Galaxy S22 displays an unable to open file pop-up when trying to open a file received using the quick share from the pop-up menu. So the developers still have a lot of work to do, but we hope to see progress with animation now. So we are waiting for the first real test. We will keep you informed. Earlier this year, Samsung launched the Galaxy Tab S8 series, consisting of the Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. However, it may not launch the Galaxy Tab S9 series. According to a report from the Elect, Samsung has postponed the development of the Galaxy Tab S9 series. It means that the launch of the tablets has also been delayed. It is being reported that this delay is due to a decrease in demand for IT products including tablets and the recent global economic downturn. The development was originally planned to start in December, but that has been delayed to early next year. It is possible that Samsung is now planning to launch the Galaxy Tab S9 series in the second half of 2023, alongside the Galaxy Flip 5 and the Galaxy Fold 5. The Galaxy Tab S9 series is still set to feature three models: Tab S9, Tab S9 Plus and the Tab S9 Ultra. Market research firms claim that the overall shipments of tablets will decline this year, but the sales of premium and ultra-premium tablets could increase. After last week's detailed renders Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus, we are now getting a follow-up in the form of two protective cases for the smaller S23 model. The two cases reveal the button placement for the vanilla model will remain as they were on the S22, while the camera bump will now feature a thinner design in line with that on the Galaxy Fold 4. I prefer the look of the S22 and S22 Plus. It was more unique and classy, but I'll leave my final opinions for when the phone is revealed. Interestingly enough, Samsung is also preparing a similar camera bump design on the upcoming Galaxy A14, which also leaked in render form over the weekend. Based on the latest rumored specs, Samsung Galaxy S23 will retain its 6.1-inch AMOLED display with slightly thicker bezels. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you were interested, share it with your friends who have a Samsung smartphones. See you later.